Hello, my friends. We are back with another book. Are you ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Alright, so I told you yesterday that I was going to pick another fun book for today, and I have picked a fun book. At least I think it is fun. You ready? For Don't Push the Button. That little purple monster up there. It says don't push the button, but look, it looks like he's about to push that button. So it is written and illustrated by Bill Cotter, and we are going to sing our song. Ready? Front cover, back cover, front cover, back cover, front cover, back cover, title page. The author writes the words. The illustrator draws the pictures. Front cover, back cover, front cover, back cover, front cover, back cover, title page. What's this part called? Remember we said it's just like your back. It's called the spine. And just like your spine in the middle of your back, it holds the book together. So your spine holds you up and together, and the spine in a book holds it up and together, okay? Don't push the button. All right, look, it has a dedication page. It says, to Mom and Dad for always encouraging me, even when I was pushing their buttons. I bet some of y'all push your mom and dad's buttons. When we say push their buttons, it means that you're getting on their nerves. So, do you push your mom and dad's buttons? I bet so. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. I want to push it. Can I push it? Can I push the button? Please let me push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Okay, getting all in your face, being serious. It does not look pretty. It does look pretty. Oh, it does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we push it. Okay, he looks curious. He's like, No, we can't. We mustn't. We should. No one is looking. You should give the button one push. Should we do it? Should we do it? I'm going to push it. I'm going to push it. Watch. I'm going to push it. Push. Oh, gosh. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Okay. Oh, God. We made it turn yellow. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Let's push it 2 times. 1, 2. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. All right, here we go. Let's push it. Okay, maybe that'll work. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh my gosh. We made a bunch of him. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra layers. All right, let's shake it. Oh, God, okay. Let's see if that worked. Almost. A little more. Okay. Let's see if I got rid of them. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. His book says, so you've pushed the button. All right, so let's scratch his belly. Hopefully he'll turn back normal. What color was he before we pushed the button? What color was he? Do you remember? He was purple. Let's see if we got him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. All right, let's push it. Let's see what I read. The end. What happened when we pushed it that last time? We made mini Larrys. Aw, aren't they cute? They're so cute. The end. So I hope you enjoyed this fun little short book. So I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday. I hope you're enjoying this weather, getting outside, playing some games, running around, gardening, just enjoying the outside, okay? Keep working on your computers, keep working on those packets. And I miss you, and I love you. Okay? I'll see you Monday.